Okay, bali ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DSi regular light blue variant po natin. Our stylus, nasa likod lang po siya. On lang natin yung unit. So this order is going to Binangonan, Rizal. Pakita ko lang din po yung charging ng inyong DSi unit. So once you plug in your charger just beside these two lights, magkakaroon po tayo ng orange light po. Put lang. So this indicates that our unit is charging. Then go ulit. And then for our buttons naman, copy this fast to drive weather age started. So our LR button, yung ating ABXY, directional buttons, and select start. And yung ating touch. Now this time, load lang po natin yung ating mga games. So for your order, this has over thousands of games installed for different game consoles, handheld ones. So meron tayo dito, access mo natin yung ROMs. Meron tayo dito for Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Gear, Nintendo DS, NES, SNES. For example, under Nintendo DS, nakasort po alphabetically yung ating mga games. So this is M2O. Now, hindi po siya magkasya sa isang page. You just need to click on the R button sa likod to go to our next page. So we are still at letter M. Nasa N na tayo. And then O. Then to go back, yung L button naman po sa likod. Now, open lang natin isa sa mga game na parating nahanap. One of our Mario games. Now, I'll be sending also separate photos of the other inclusions that we have for your package sa ating chat. Wait na lang din natin na mag-load yung ating game. So, okay na po yung ating order. Bali, papack na lang din namin ito. And then, wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!